Hey guys!
Hi!
Today we are going to be hacking.
Our best friend's account.
Yes, sorry.
We're crazy.
What's your name again? Emily. Emily's very weird.
What the hell? I'm not weird, guys. It's my personality.
Okay, so we're going to be hacking my best friend's account. Her name
What?
is Kai My Bay, and we are going to hack it and make it seem like we hacked her. Yes.
And then she's gonna be like, "Oh my god, why is this happening?" Blah 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 blah. And then we should call her at the end of the video and just like, "Hey, what's the MSP?" And then we just prank her. That is just hilarious.
Yes, this is beautiful. Okay, first
Is there
off, we are going to start with collecting her reward.
exactly?
Oh my gosh. There. And now, second of all, Leo's single, never mind. She is hacked.
Have to buy someone
Who wants this?
stupid account. Say that or something.
This Bees rares race.
Yeah, that's
So
awesome.
laggy, I swear.
I know, right? Why is it so laggy? Hold on, this piece, I love the profile that you put on her. Like,
I know, right?
oh my god, I love. This is why we're sisters. We're not actually sisters. Sisters. Sisters, but like we call each other sisters somehow.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Sorry.
Stop scaring our audience.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hopefully they can't see what I'm doing.
Exactly. I think they can.
She's gonna kill us after this. Okay, can you remember the
um,
face makeup? The makeup?
yeah, we can change it up or something.
Yeah, but remember it. It's dark red with blue eyes and freckles.
Dark red with blue eyes. Okay, dark red with blue eyes. Yeah, but doesn't it have? Didn't you remember
Are you
that?
okay?
So you know what MSP has a new update, right?
I know, don't question me on that stuff. Why did you
So
hack her, or is it fake?
it's fake. No, it's not.
Because she
It's not real,
fell.
right? Just say that. I dare you.
Because she's
She's a bitch.
I was gonna give her VIP.
Oh yeah.
By the way, guys, she gave us permission and we can do this.
Yeah.
But we're actually hopefully, this is a summary. We're not actually hacking her.
Whatever. We're just hacking her into sometimes she's a bitch to us, but
No, she
we're just
wasn't being one. She's just let us. This is a hacking my best friend account. I mean, video.
exactly. Yeah, we can't talk right now. We can really I can't talk. Dude, I'm gonna kill myself right now. Shit.
Oh, please wear some clothes. Sure. Sure, MSP.
That is just like yes.
Can we put this shirt on? This is beautiful.
You're like, she's me.
No, my favorite part.
Oh my god.
Watch this girl be like, can I have her rares then?
Yeah. Oh my god, you look beautiful. Please. Oh
Give
my
it back
god.
to her.
She's gonna be so
Nah.
mad when she gets on.
I mean,
Like,
nah. This is so funny.
oh my god. I think we should just call her like, hey, what's up? Let's go play in the street. Then she walks in like, what the hell? No, I remember the last time that I did a prank with her. I hacked her account, and guess what? She was so freaking mad.
But you hacked
It
her
was
account
about
on a prank?
remember that prank? The girl, like, remember that prank that we were doing? Once, guys, we did this pranker. We were like, oh, if you don't do this, your account's gonna get hacked by me. And then I hacked her account. I made her look so freaking ugly. She looked like Santa, but like a drunk Santa. What are people saying? That's my question.
If she says okay, but don't tell her I said it. Watch her be fake. Yes. Oh yeah, I forgot she was not VIP.
Oh wow.
Jeez, that's funny.
Well, it is funny. I just realized that I started MSP like so after you guys. I started like
Barbie.
alone.
Gosh, fine. If you don't want me to change her. Wait, should we try to get her a boyfriend?
Yes, so finally she's like so. I thought she was.
Yeah, actually, we should make her look good and actually try to get her a boyfriend.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, let's be nice friends. Guys, we're really nice.
The way that said that was just so crazy.
But we're being honest. She doesn't have any sense in fashion.
Exactly.
We're just being completely honest. It's better for us to say the truth than actually lie.
Yeah, she looks, no offense, but she looks like shit sometimes. No offense, I'm not trying to offend her. Sometimes she puts some clothes on, they're so freaking colorful that I feel like, oh my god, please change your clothes, please and thank you. And like, and then we always like try to help her with outfits and stuff, and she never listens to us. Never listens to us. Oh my god. Why are you making that sound? It sounds good. Oh my god, she looks so creepy with those clothes on.
Brownie.
Bruh. Okay.
She looks bad. Dude. She does not look good.
Oh my god, it was still loud!
Stop screaming in the people's ears.
Screaming. What the heck? I'm gonna kill myself. Unless it doesn't load, I am going to freaking kill myself. And this is so freaking laggy. I think because of large servers, you know there's like a lot of servers. UK, there's Italian stuff, like.
I don't even know what I'm dressing her up as, you know? Like, I don't know.
Let me get inside my account. I was on, but like I needed to move. I'm trying to find the hair that I love. I have one, but I need a new color so I can make a new outfit. But I can't freaking find the freaking hair. Oh, I'm gonna kill myself.
Let's go with this. Let's go find a man at the skate park because there are more people in the skate park. Like boys.
And the beach. People love the beach to troll. I always go there when I want to troll. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, my account is Khloe Kardashian. Two great from the start. Yeah.
What if we get her a girl?
What? I'm dead.
Nope, don't give her stuff away. That's not right. Oh, okay. This guy. I'm depressed.
Me? Literally though, me. Every single freaking day.
Yeet booty hole daddy. Okay.
What the hell? Oh my god, yes. Oh my god, yay, she has her hair. I made an outfit for her, just like blah 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 blah. You know those people, I don't know if you guys do this, like when you have when you're watching a video, people are like, oh my god, follow me on my Instagram, follow me on that, blah 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 blah, and it's just hilarious. I don't say that. I am different. You know what I say? I just say this. This is my account on Roblox. Follow me. That's it. I don't follow. I don't. I can't. Sorry, guys. You're just like,
Hi.
oh my god, what's wrong with you? You're just like,
Ooh, I like this boy.
but after like, oh my god. But you know your profile is still hacked. Damn.
And we
I
have
have
summer
two
school. Yeah.
copies.
Oh my god, this boy is just like her.
Oh my god. A miracle. Someone just like her.
No, she's probably never gonna find someone just like her. This boy already has a girlfriend.
But like, you know, people cheat on when someone has a lot of stuff, people cheat on you because another person. I don't always cheat on
Should
my
we
boyfriend.
actually give her Instagram?
What?
Should we actually give her her Instagram?
I don't know. Sure. Imagine. Oh my god.
Oh my god, she'd be dead. But we don't have.
You have Ivy, no freaking die.
What if we give him yours?
Oh hell no.
Yes, Emily Costa.
Wow, people are actually friending her. What a miracle.
Duh,
We're
because
so
of my outfit.
Hey! What the hell? That's not a name. That's not my username.
What did she say? She probably friended us for a reason. Wait, let's see.
You need to go on your messages.
So
Wait,
you talking to my brother? What the frick?
What the hell? What the hell? That's just so. What the fuck? What the hell? What the fuck is that? Yeah.
So you talking about brother? Get the hell out of here before I fight you.
Yeah. Boy. You're just giving her like a person that's just Emma, what the hell? That's not my freaking Instagram. What the fuck? This is a fuck up, bitch. Holy I'm gonna tell myself on this. Sadly.
Your brother's. Oh, I was about to say, sadly, your brother's gonna stay single forever. Is my sister being mean?
I dare you to say that. I dare you. Is my sister being mean? No, bitch. No, she's not being mean.
Bro, I don't want anything to do with you guys. Bye. Added you to magical silver. Oh wait, what?
What the hell?
Is this probably treat him good, or should I? But he's not even together with me.
Exactly.
Okay. You're freaking retard.
I bet that boy account is her account.
Bye. Bye, guys.